Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm doing another D&D mini this week. This is the Merfolk Lord by Titanforge. This is a free model for this month's Patreon and I just couldn't ignore it. It was primed in black and given a desert tan zenithal highlight. I get started with some of the robes using sand yellow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Next up is the bulk of the clothing with royal purple. A lot of the top half looks like it could well be armor, not fabric, but I thought it would be too much gold, so breaking it up a bit more with the purple makes it look just a bit nicer. The belt I went for a sunny skin tone, just to subtly separate it away from the rest of the mini, but not draw too much attention towards it. Moving on to the skin, I grabbed Talasar Blue Contrast Paint. This is probably my favourite blue for anything organic, not just because it's contrast, but it's just a really nice colour. I then get started with the armour. To get that regal look, all of these parts are done with greedy gold. anchor that they are using as a weapon gets a once over with rough iron. For the eyes, they get a base coat of sun yellow. To finish the eyes, I use Model Air Orange. Once this goes on, I do start to take a lot of it away again, just so that sun yellow shines through slightly. Moving on to the highlights, I get started with Elfic Flesh for all of the yellow clothing. This is just the edges of the folds. The next highlight is magenta for all of the purple parts. Again, this is for all of those raised areas on the folds. I do overdo it slightly on one side, but royal purple covers really well, so I just paint back over it and start again on that section. To finish off the blue of the skin, I use Magic Blue for all of the raised parts and the areas facing upwards. Breaking up the gold a bit more, I grabbed Shining Silver. This is a bit of an edge highlight over all of the gold. It just breaks it up a little bit more, makes it look a bit more shiny once the matte varnish goes on. Finishing up, I wash everything but the blue with light tone wash. I was originally going to do it with different tones for each part, but light tone doesn't stain enough for that to really be needed. And that will be it for the Merfolk Lord. For the base, I just painted it dark flesh tone and glued some sand onto it. Normally for D&D, I will go for a black base, but I'm rather tempted to do a set from Titanforge and just sort of make the entire skirmish team out of these creatures. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.